Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Neeraj Chitalia, and in this week I will be talking about my outlook for the week that begins on 1st of December. And I would like to say that my previous video, which was published on 23rd of November, in that I had mentioned that the correction is likely and due, and we may see it anytime soon, which we saw on 23rd November happen. So that prediction was correct. Please see my previous video. Right now I have analyzed all the positions which have been held by the FII closely, because they are the biggest movers and shakers of the market. They have been pumping in money and they have maintained their stance of staying bullish on the Indian market. So they have maintained their future long positions and they are net buyers. This adds to the liquidity and the momentum which we have seen so far. The call positions have been reduced by the FII. DII are net sellers, and retail clients are mostly in two minds on what to do, because they saw a rally and then there was a sudden sell off on 25th of November, and again the market has moved sideways for the day after that. So now retail clients are confused what to do. But again, I would say the sentiment is overall positive in the market, but we should also know that economic recession is there, and it is being ignored by the market so far, and the market will have to match up to the reality sooner or later. Let's also talk about the Nifty chart, which we see over here, and the week starting 1st December, we will see that the market will take a strong support at 12,790, and if it breaks, we will see the level below it, which is 12,600 and 12,350. This can happen if the dips which have been getting bought so far, they are no longer bought and the market keeps selling off from here. So this is one thing we need to watch out, and of course if the dip gets bought, then the market will go on the upside and will push the market above again to 13,150 level, which is possible once 13,050 level is taken out. Talking about the Bank Nifty is again in a consolidation zone. Nifty and Bank Nifty have moved together neck to neck in the last 5-6 days, and we have seen Bank Nifty close at 29,600 level. So for Bank Nifty, 28,850 is an intermediate support, and 27,700 is a crucial support, which if broken, it can take the Bank Nifty to 25,925 level and 24,250 level as well. And on the upside, once 30,200 is achieved, it will take it further to 3,500, 3,800. These are the levels possible in Bank Nifty. Talking about the auto index, I feel it's mostly bearish. It can go down from here. I don't see a further upward momentum from here, because mostly the auto numbers that will come out in this week don't look positive from here. Looking at the charts, that's what I feel. So let's see what happens in the coming week, but once the support of 19375 is broken, there could be a further dip till 18650. So here's my final summary and outlook on Nifty. Overall, the buying by FII can stop any time, because we don't know when will they stop pumping in the money. So far there has been an orchestrated rally. The US market keeps going up, and then next day our market goes up, and then all the people who have done short selling on the previous day, they have to cover up their short, and because of their buying, our market again goes up. This has been the trend so far in the entire month of November, but we will see if that continues in the month of December, because I have my doubts over here. The big players who have been trying to dump their holdings at higher levels may stop this buying, and there could be a sudden sell off anytime, because all this has been a distribution phase so far that we have seen in the past 1 month. So my overall advice is to remain cautious and keep trading on intraday basis with a strict stop loss at levels mentioned, and only trade if you are very clear about the levels which I have mentioned, and you are clear that you are going to change your positions immediately if the market trend reverses. And one more thing, for the people who are interested to learn more about how to find out the levels and how to trade intraday on the Nifty and how to pick up the right trading opportunities in the market, I'm coming up with a seminar by the name Making It Rain. The seminar is designed and developed by me basis my experience over the years, because all I believe is that you do not need to know everything about technical analysis. There are certain methods which always work no matter what, and you need to learn just that to be profitable. There are 20 seats only for this seminar, and the target audience is anyone who has been losing money in the stock market and wants to learn the professional and the correct way of trading in the market. And the seminar is scheduled for Saturday, 5th of December, and time is 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. It will be an online seminar, and the investment is just 550 rupees per person. So you can click the link in the description below and participate in my seminar by registering. And I look forward to see my viewers of my YouTube videos come and attend my seminar. Thank you.